Man, I wish I had somewhere to place these dishes to dry, but there's a box in the way.
Don't worry, Hunter. I'll take care of it.
Today's Beaterbox unboxing was filmed in front of a live studio, Hunter, with promotional consideration brought to you by SwazyToPlug.com.
Hello! You're actually seeing this at the beginning, but we've already unboxed everything. Stay tuned, we've got a hell of a box coming forward for you. But if you have not already, be sure to do all the basic stuff. Go like, go hit that subscribe button. We just hit 450 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Pretty sweet. If you have not already as well, be sure to go to the top link in the description, SwazyToPlug.com, my website. Everything that we just unboxed that you can't see yet, and everything else we have unboxed in the past that is still available, is available on the website, SwazyToPlug.com. While you're there, be sure to pick up some merch as well. We're getting a lot of great reviews about the designs. Shout out to Jake, he killed the designs. We have a lot more great stuff coming. And if you do buy merch, be sure to use code
Sonny. It helps pay the editor.
Cool. But like I said, we've talked enough. Like, subscribe, go to the website, SwazyToPlug.com. Boom. Well, hello there. Been a while since you've seen us unbox one of these isn't it? Well, it isn't even a minute in and I already cussed. Oh well. If you haven't already, be sure to go check out the most recent video we just uploaded. It was a highlight video for all of season 1. You get to see me unbox $20,000 worth of shoes in less than 20 minutes. That's pretty cool if I had to admit. Am I right, Sonny?
And it saves you from watching 13 of our videos, which aren't as good as our new videos, so you get the dual purpose.
You know, there's a part of that's truth. The other part is I think is a little bit of salt after he just had to sift through our entirety of season 1 all in one video. We got a $625 box, $665 total with the $40 shipping. If you don't know where I get these by now, they come from Supremacy in the Bay Area. We've talked long enough. We're gonna open this bad boy up, see what we got. We got the nut button. We got the kitchen karambit. Let's just bust right into this. I'm gonna put this over there so I don't cut myself and get this first impression. Well, that's interesting. Well, there's definitely something there. And there's no loose shoes, technically. But there are, got some Soul Supremacy slides.
What?
We've got some Soul slides. We've got some Soul slides. We've got some Soul slides. We've got some Soul slides.
We have our whole cat.
And some Soul slides.
Oh!
Yo, they hooked us up. All right, so we've got some Soul slides here. I've said that about 1,000 times. This looks to be the red pair. If you can't tell, it just says Soul on it. Kind of nifty. And then we have the same, I'm gonna pick this up lightly so it doesn't just destroy this audio. We've got the red pair, and then we've got the same thing, but in white. They must have, they must watch our videos and were like, either that or they just decided to throw in a ton of these.
That's way funnier, by the way.
Yeah, but I think, you know, I'm gonna go out on a shot of the dark here, kind of inflate our own ego and think that they watch these videos and they're like, let's hook up their entire team. Which, if that's the case, Soul, you guys are the best. I love you guys. But I know what I'm wearing when I don't want to put shoes on from now on. Other than the beauty of all of those sandals, or slides, I guess. No loose shoes. That's pretty cool. Wow, thank you guys so much. This might have been something you threw in every box, or you guys just hooked it up hardcore because you know we have quite the team recording all these. Either way, we really appreciate it, guys. Thank you very much. Now let's hope this box is also pretty great, but we'll see. All right, we got 2 Jordan boxes on top. We got an older one and a newer one. Sonny, which one should I open?
Start with the older one.
Start with the older one? All right, right here we've got a size 9 Air Jordan 11 Retro. I'm not gonna look at the color code for obvious reasons. All right, this is the second time we've gotten these bad boys, but these are in a size 9 though. Ooh, this condition. Ooh, not dead stock, obviously, but amazing condition. Holy cow. I remember we got a pair of these in a size of...
Are these silver and...
I think these are the silver anniversaries or the Columbias, but the last time I said that, they were the exact opposite of what I thought they were. I'm leaning towards the silver anniversary because I think I recognize the back. But size 9, amazing condition. Holy cow. Good start to this box. Really, really good start. We've got an Air Jordan 1 Retro KO High, size 11. These are the bread colorway, considering they aren't actually the breads, but still really cool nonetheless. They are worn, no surprise. Got the extra laces in there, that's pretty cool. KOs have like a cult following, so these will definitely sell. They're like canvas, like the material's like canvas instead of leather. Pretty cool.
It feels durable.
It is. You can beat the shit out of these and nothing really happens. Well, I mean, something will happen, but they'll just tear and open up. I'm gonna grab this one out next because I feel like it's gonna be the worst. And I hate to say the word worst because I doubt they're gonna be bad, or at least I hope they're not bad. We've got a size 8.5 Air Max 1 Premium SE. Cool. I don't even know what to call these. These are actually sick. Oh, they're like inside out. See what I mean? Like, okay. Nope. All right, a little bit of dirt. I mean, that's fine though.
That's close.
These are sick. Okay, so the reason I knew they were inside out technically. Well, first off, you can see the back is like backwards, and then this is the giveaway.
That's super cool.
What shoe size are you, Hunter? You say you wear a 9? Well, luckily for you, these are a size 8.5, my friend.
Ooh.
Those are sick. Yo,
Those are really cool.
those are really fucking cool. I'm curious what they're called other than just inside out. These are the Air Max 1 Inside Out. That's literally what they're called. Air Max 1 Inside Out. Size 8.5. Brand new, they're going for 120.
See, those are way cooler than they're worth.
Yeah, I would
Those are
agree.
sick.
I would
Those are
agree.
sick.
They kind of have off-white vibes because
Yeah.
they're kind of deconned or deconstructed. All right, there's 4 boxes left. All of them are a gamble in terms of whether or not they're good. So I'm gonna grab this one out because I don't know what it is and I know what the other boxes are. This looks like a foam posit box. It's not. Air Force 1 High NG CMFT LW.
Oh yeah, dude.
What? Yeah, this sound, all right. So if I had to guess, I'm assuming it's the Air Force 1 High. Couldn't even begin to think of what the NG is. Comfort Low. All right, let's see. Size 10.5. What the are those? What?
Those look like blacksmith's boots.
Yo, these are.
Those are low-key kind of sick though.
What the is this? What is that? It's like those look like unknowns from Pokemon.
They're like steampunk-esque.
Yeah.
I get a lot of different vibes from those.
Yeah, like
Curb stuff.
Almost Fallout.
feel this leather. Yeah, I'm gonna look up the number on these and see what the these things are. The condition on them is kind of hard to guess because the shoelaces are essentially twine.
Yeah.
And I mean the best way to tell the condition is considering there's not a lot of creasing on them. Okay, so these are the Air Force 1 Piguet. I don't even Piguet. I'm just gonna read this description for you guys. Nike partnered with
Pigalle,
to create a collection that included this Nike Air Force 1 High
Pigalle,
in 2014.
Pigalle,
Founder Stefan Ashpool's lifestyle take on the iconic high top comes with leather faces and work boot style oversized gold metal hang tags. The leather upper comes with a waxed coating designed to break down over time. Underfoot, the translucent outsole features a coach's diagram of basketball plays and strategy. Huh. As a former basketball player, I probably should have known that. But you can't really tell. All right, 3 boxes left. I'll just spoil it for you. We got 2 Yeezy boxes and an Air Jordan 1 box. I'm thinking Yeezy, Air Jordan, Yeezy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Finish on the 350. Okay, let's hope it's not a. I'll probably watch it be a cream, but nothing wrong with that. Creams are kind of shot up. Yeezy 500. All right, these are the Supermoons, or Yellow Supermoon, or whatever the hell you want to call it. Their bottoms have seen better days, but, you know, there's a silver lining to this that I think anybody that knows anything about shoes will agree with. They're a Yeezy. So, I can't complain too much. Size 10.5, I mean, I'll put a little TLC in them, cleaning them up. There's a lot of I shouldn't say there's a lot of. There's not. There's some scuffs on the outside. Nothing too crazy. Probably good that we started with this and are going to end with the 350, whatever the 350 might be. Woo! So the only reason I go woo is because this is an Air Jordan 1 box and it's a size 9. So that's an automatic good sign. Anyways, size 9, Air Jordan 1. We've got the yin and or yang because I can't remember which is which. Size 9, again, bottoms have seen better days. Yeah, we got the extra pair of laces. Any consolation, I guess.
Those are clean.
Yeah, the other laces are clean. Cool. Last box. I'm assuming it's a white pair of Yeezys because we've got a straggler there hanging out of the box. Size 11. Damaged box, size 11. Not gonna look at the color tag. They are creams. Eh, what a beauty. Wow, very clean. Holy shit, these are clean. I saw this shoe first and I was like, oh, they're dead stock. But then I saw this shoe and I'm like, nope, no, they're not. But I mean, these are very clean.
Definitely not dead stock.
No, but they...
The
Yeah.
tops especially.
These look great. I will say these do look fantastic. Size 11. Size 11 creams. Cool. Let's organize what we got here and see what we got because it's definitely good. I can't complain. All right, cool. We're here. We've got the shoes in front of us. We've got them laid out. I think, personally, this is a hell of a box. Sonny, wouldn't you agree?
This is our best box in a while, I think. This is for sure our most unique box.
You know, I would go out on a limb and say I would agree with you. I don't know if it's the fact that they hooked us up with a bunch of free slides, but yeah, great box. Sonny, you like it. I agree with you. You know, this is probably one of our more unique boxes because there's not a lot of shoes in it, but I feel like everything here has its own value. Hunter, for someone that doesn't know anything about shoes, to my knowledge, what do you think of the box? What do you think we got here?
I think it's diverse, you know?
Hunter, you don't even have to keep talking. As soon as you said it got cut. I don't know where that just cut off because I gotta love Hunter, but you know, some things just can't be said on video. Anyways, great assortment of shoes here. And like we do every video, be sure to go down in the comment section, leave a comment what you think this box is worth. Profit. Remember, we paid $665 for this box. Put the profit in the comments. If you get close enough to what I kind of calculate for profit, you will be highlighted right here. Shout out to whoever was the closest from the last video to the profit from the last box we unboxed. I think that makes sense. If you would like, go down in the comment section, leave a comment what you think we made profit. Cool, thank you guys very much for watching. We've got 2 videos on the screen right here. Be sure to go down the rabbit hole, kind of hop down the rabbit hole, watch some more of our videos. If you like what you just saw, click my face right here to subscribe. I don't know how big the bubble is, so I'm trying to make sure my fingers are seen outside of the bubble, but be sure to click on my face, subscribe, check out the 2 videos on the side here, go down the rabbit hole of our channel. We appreciate you. Are you still here? Why have you not clicked on either of these videos, click the home button, or click my face to subscribe yet? The world may never know. Thanks for watching, guys. Deuces.